Welcome back. As American Heart Month comes to a close, we're on your side with what you need to look out for when it comes to heart disease. And Dr. Patrick Proctor is a cardiologist with Heart South, and he's here to tell us how to keep your heart healthy. Thanks for being with us today.
Thanks for having me.
So first of all, not everybody necessarily needs a cardiologist, but when is it important to see one? And, you know, I know you detect heart disease, but what other services do cardiologists offer patients?
Well, that's a good question. You know, most people think of cardiologists as treating heart disease, but we would actually prefer to prevent it when we can.
Okay.
So we want people to know that if you come see a cardiologist, we don't just offer treatment services. We offer risk evaluation. We can talk with you, we can have a conversation, we can talk about your family history and determine what your risk is for having heart disease.
It's probably better to prevent it, as you mentioned. Prevention's better.
Absolutely. We would much rather you never develop heart disease and that you come see us early so we can get ahead of that.
So let's say someone has waited a little bit later and they might be seeing signs of heart disease. What are some of those signs that we should look out for?
Well, first is understanding whether you're at risk.
Okay.
You know, if you have diabetes, you have high blood pressure, cholesterol isn't very well controlled, or people in your family have had strokes or heart attacks, you should know that you're at high risk and consider that you may want to come see a cardiologist about that.
Are there certain tests that can, I guess, detect heart disease that you can perform?
Absolutely. We can do a lot of screening tests. What we tend to do is if we feel that you're at high risk based on our examination or our conversation with you, we can do calcium scores, which is a scan of the heart to look for early disease.
Okay.
We can use non-invasive tests like ultrasound to check for heart strength, to check for valve issues, or even to look at the vessels in the head or in the neck.
Okay. And if anybody wants more information, where are you located?
We are in Alabaster. We can always be reached. We have a website that's heartsouthpc.com, or you can call us at 205-663-5775. You don't need a referral.
Okay, wonderful. Well, we appreciate you being with us to share this important information, especially during Heart Healthy Month of February. So thank you so much.
Thanks again for having me.
All right, stay with us.